how to install Git for Windows 11. For that purpose, you're simply gonna head over to the official website of Git onto your Google browser. You're gonna type in gitscm.com, exactly like this, or you're gonna simply search up onto your web browser saying Git website official, and that's just going to show you up the official website, which is this one right here, is the one I clicked up on. Now next up, what you're going to do is you're going to head over to the download section right here, and you're going to directly download it from the official source without having to go and look into third-party installers. So from here, you're going to select the source that you want to have Git on. I'm going to download it on Windows. So the latest source that they have is released by 2024, which is available for Windows, and it's 2.45.1. We're going to simply click on this. Now from here, we can either choose for the 32-bit Git for Windows setup, the 64-bit. This one is the standalone installer, and this is the portable one. But I would highly recommend you to do it with the latest one, which was released just 5 days ago and is specifically made for Windows. I'm going to click here to download. And once I click here to download, as you can see in the download section right here, the Git latest version is already getting downloaded. And once the download and installation package arrives, what it's going to do is it's just going to automatically run onto your Windows, and then you can start up with the installation and downloading process and simply run Git onto your Windows.